Hello everybody and welcome back to What's Next with Stephanie. And what's next with Stephanie is that we're going to be making some honey garlic chicken. And here we go. Hi everybody and welcome back to What's Next with Stephanie. So I'm back in the kitchen and today I'm going to be making honey and garlic chicken. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let's get right into it. We got some chicken here. Boneless, skinless breasts. I got 3 pieces. I got my honey. Got my garlic. I found this one where actually this is the first time I'm going to use it. Some garlic juice. So hopefully it's good. Can't go wrong with garlic. We got our seasoning, you know us, adobo, and some sazon. And we're going to add some potatoes to this. And then, right before it's done, we'll put in some already chopped, this is some frozen cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. Alright, so let's start. Let's start seasoning. Before, we're not going to use the honey and the garlic juice just yet. We're actually going to add that to the end once we have everything in the crock pot. I forgot to tell you before, I used 1 small onion. So if you like to use an onion, you can. You don't have to. But my husband likes onion. And this time, I had to chop up the onion. My handy dandy hand helper didn't chop it. So, if you see me looking back that way, it's because I have Maddie in her swing. Today, she's actually 3 months. My baby is 3 months today. Yay, Maddie! And there she is. Alright, so let's get right into it. Let's start seasoning. So we're going to add some adobo. This sazon was already open for me. My handy helper actually opened it for me. That was nice of him. Turn these puppies over.
So you're doing three boneless breasts, and then
yes,
a little bit of adobo, and one little
one sobrecito, one little pack of
one little package of sazon.
Yes,
To give it that coloring and
yeah, because I like to give my chicken or anything that I'm seasoning a nice little color. So make sure it's just is evenly coated.
So you're replacing the salt with the adobo.
Yes. Just a little bit. You see how it's just nice? A little bit red. Nice little color. And we got some black pepper. Just a little bit.
That's Michael in the background.
We're also going to put some garlic powder on them. While we're seasoning it, just put your onions in there too, so they can get seasoned as well in there. Let me mix it all up. And get them all nice and colored as well. Like that. Ooh, and garlic is strong. Alright. Look at that. Oh, there's still a little bit more in here. Let's put that in there. Can't let anything go to waste.
Sorry.
So I hope everybody's doing well. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for all those who already have subscribed to my channel and always commenting on my videos. Thank you so much. I would like for you guys to hit me up with some recipes so I can try. I really like to just try new things. Other than the things that I usually do. You know, I always do it Latin style because, I mean, that's how I grew up, just doing it. A lot of Puerto Rican dishes. So please hit me up with a recipe so we can try it here together and see how it comes out. Right? Alright, so we finish seasoning the chicken. Please make sure that hope everybody knows, clean your chicken before, because I already had it cleaned and everything already in my bowl before. But make sure you wash your chicken, okay? Alright, so all that seasoned, let's get this garlic juice. Woo-wee! Smell. Woo-wee! Okay, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Alright. Just kind of eyeballing it. I think I'm just going to put like a nice spoon of it.
Of what?
Of the honey.
Okay.
Alright, let's mix these things up. Alright. Now, so where we got a nice honey. We got the garlic. I think this needs a little bit of color. What do you think? I'm gonna add some. Just a little sazon just to give it some color. See, I'm a fan of color. I need some color. Color! Besides, once you put it, put the potatoes in there and the chicken in the crock pot, now look at it. There you go. See? So like that, your potatoes will have some nice seasoning in there too. Alright. So let's get all these bad boys in the crock pot and get it started. Alright. So, we got one. Nice and evenly put. Yep, nice and evenly placed in there. Kind of just put all this right on top. I only use a small onion. If you're a fan of onion, hey, get as much onion as you want. This big piece in there. Alright. Now, let's put our potatoes that I've been having over here. I'm just going to put them nicely on the sides. On the sides of it. All the way around. And evenly cook. There you go. And we're going to pour this right on top. Alright. So we're going to leave this on high for about 3.5 hours. And once it has like about 10 minutes left on it, we're going to go ahead and throw in our veggies. I'm going to throw it right on top because these don't take long to cook. Just nice little steam. Alright, so let's put these bad boys. It's on high for about 3.5 hours. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a like, and don't forget to please share this video and hit me up with some recipes. Like I said before, I really want to keep building this channel up, and I would like your help. If you guys have any other recipes that I can try, go ahead and we can try them here together. So again, please subscribe. Thank you for everybody that has already subscribed and has left me the comments. Thank you so much. So I'll see you back here in about 3 hours to check up on these bad boys. All right. I already put the lid on it. Gotta stay on.
3 hours later.
So it has been 3 hours. So let's check them out. Whew. Smells good. Smell. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the, oh, thank you, handy hand. I'm gonna throw these in. And leave it, ooh, there's one more piece. And close it, we'll leave it, we'll be back about 20 minutes. Time to eat.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so it's been about 20 or 25 minutes. So let's check these bad boys out. Smells delicious. Let's see. I need a tater. It doesn't break off. Alright. Nice and tender, and we got that sweet taste to it. Ooh, by myself. Really good, really good. Perfect. All right. So, all this was about 3.5 hours. Depending on the potatoes that you use and how much you use. I would recommend to put the potatoes on the bottom and put the chicken right on the top, just so the potatoes can get that nice juicy taste inside. As you see, so you get that nice orangey color in the potato. Really good. You can also mix it up with some rice or whatever, with whatever side dish you want to do. But there you go, a nice garlic and honey chicken with potatoes and some vegetables. All right, so I'm just serving it. We had some rice with the veggies and the potatoes with the chicken. Doesn't that look good? So like I said, you can serve it with whatever else you would like. But we got some rice, we got some vegetables, potatoes, so you got the chicken. Now we're gonna get some avocado. Alright everybody, so there you have it. Some honey and garlic chicken with vegetables, the side of rice, and some avocado. I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit me up on the comments below for different recipes that I would love to try, especially on the crock pot. And if you would like to purchase one of these, please hit the link below. The description will be on the link below. Sorry, just and it'll take you right. The link will be on the description below. I hope I got that. It's like a tongue twister. Crock pot. It's very easy. All you have to do is just, you know, especially if you have kids, which I have 2. And again, my beautiful baby just turned 3 months today. Yay! You can just put everything in there, just leave it, go do anything, any activity you have to do, or go to work or anything with the kids, and then come back and you're done. Very simple. Again, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please hit me up with some more recipes on the comments so we can try. Thank you so very much for watching, and if you do try this, let me know how it turned out. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.